Hello dear students, welcome back to EDUHUNT online teaching platform. At the section today we are going to discuss about progressions, which is a part of 9th class mathematics. So actually this is a continue class from worksheet number 2. So in my previous class already explained 1 to 10 questions. So let's go to question number 11. The list of numbers minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2 is. So what I'm given? List of numbers given. So option A, an AP with common difference. D stands for what? Common difference minus 16. Option B, an AP with common difference 4. C, option C, an AP with common difference minus 4. D, not an AP terms. So what is the given terms here? So given terms are minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2 and so on. So first out of 4 options, first 3 options what I am given? AP terms. Suppose that they are belongs to AP. How to get the common difference? Common difference equals to formula T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T4. So if you take in any term, T3 minus T2. Am I clear? If you take in any term, previous term subtract from that given term. Okay, that is called common difference. T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2 or T4 minus T3. So that is a rule. Okay, na? So that is the formula common difference. So clearly we need to understand. So clearly T2, these are terms. T1, first term is T1, second term is T2, third term T3, fourth term T4. So clearly T2 value here minus 6 minus T1 value minus 10, minus into minus plus. So what is the common difference? 4. So one should have to check the next term T3 minus T2. What is T3? Minus 2 minus T2 minus 6, minus into minus plus 4 also, minus 2 plus 6 nothing but 4. So those terms, common difference are equal. Those terms are belongs to AP, and AP with common difference 4. Option B is right answer. Let's go to question number 12. The sum of first 16 terms of AP 10, 6, 2 is. Option A minus 320. Option B 320. Option C minus 352. Option D minus 400. So what I'm given the terms? 10, 6, 2 and so on. So those terms are belongs to 10, 6, 2 and so on. So those terms are belongs to AP, already given AP terms. So AP means the common difference are equal. Am I clear? So how to get the common difference? So common difference nothing but T2 minus T1, 6 minus 10 minus 4. Am I clear? So how will get n number of times? Already given number of first 16 terms, that is n value, number of times. A stands for here first term 10. So by using the formula sum of the first n terms, equals to formula Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula Sn. Sn stands for first sum of the first n terms in AP. Sum of first n terms in AP. Arithmetic progression. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You know that n value already given 16 times, 16 by 2 into 2a. 2 into a value, how much given? A value 10 plus 16 n value 16 minus 1 into common difference minus 4. Am I clear? So 16 by 2 nothing but 8. 8 into 2 into 10 20 plus 16 minus 1 15 into minus 4. 15 into minus 4. So it can be written 8 into 20 minus plus into minus 15 for the 16. So 8 into, so 20 minus 16 nothing but minus 40. So 48 is a 320 minus 320. Negative value is required answer. Option A is right answer. Am I clear? 2 ones are here, 2 8s are directly. Am I clear? So next one. Okay, let's go to question number 13. The arithmetic mean of the following data is 22, 40, 29, 15, 22, 29, 21, 32, 23, 42. Option A 26, option B 26.5, option C 27.5, option D 29. So question what I am asking, arithmetic mean AM. So what is AM formula? Sum of items by number of items. Sum of items are observations. Sum of observations by number of observations. Or sum of items by number of items. Sum of observation, but here before number of observation, how many given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So denominator 10 because number of items 10. How will get numerator? Sum of the items. First one we need to add it all the 2-digit numbers here, 10 given. First one we need to adding for unit places. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 10. Sorry, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 2, 19, 19 plus 4, 24, 24 plus 9, 33, 33 plus 0, 33 plus 2, 35, 5, again 3, carry to the 10th place, again 4 plus 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 2, 16, 16 plus 2, 18 plus 1, 19, 19 plus 2, 21, 21 plus 4, 25 plus 2, 27. What is total? 275 by 10. It can be written 27.5 because half by whole by 10 means what? Point taken after one place. Yes, option C is right answer. 27.5. So let's go to question number 14. The arithmetic mean of 1, 8, 27, 64 and so on up to n terms is given by option A n into n plus 1 by 2, option B n into n plus 1 whole square by 2, option C n into n plus 1 whole square by 4, option D n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. So what is the given terms? 1, 8, 27, 64 and so on n. So up to n terms given. So these are so clearly we need to understand this is a 1q value, this is 2q value, this is a 3q value, this is a 4q value and so on, this is a nq value and so on, and n times nothing but nq. So first n, so what is order? First n square natural numbers, square natural numbers. So that is a given order. Am I clear? But question what I am asking, arithmetic mean. So arithmetic mean nothing but sum of observation by number of observations. Sum of observations or items. So each one considered as an item. So sum of items by number of items. So each individual data here 1, 8, 27, 64. So sum of observation by number of observations also. Okay, items or observation both are same. Sum of observation by number of observations. So what is the sum of observation? So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus and so on n cube. That is a sum of observation by number of observation. Nothing but here how many numbers given? N terms, whole by n. So clearly we need to understand. So in that case, what I am given first n square natural numbers. What is the formula? So sum of the first n cube natural number. Sorry, it is not a square, cube. It is cube order. Okay. Clearly we need to understand 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube, 4 cube and so on n cube. This is a sum of the first n cube natural numbers. What is the formula? N square into n plus n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. But whole by number of times, n times. This is the required answer. Am I clear? So here what I am 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on n cube. Sum of the first n cube natural numbers. What is the formula? N into n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. But whole by number of observation n times. So it can be written n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 into 1 by n. 1 n cancel, remaining part will become n into n plus 1 whole square by 4 is the required answer. So this is the average or arithmetic mean of the first n cube natural numbers. So n into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Option C is right answer. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 15. If 13 arithmetic mean are inserted between 1 and 9 by 2, then find the fourth arithmetic mean. So question what I am given? So 13 arithmetic means are inserted between 1 and 9 by 2, then find the fourth arithmetic mean. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 1 by 2, option D 2 by 3. So clearly we need to understand. In that case what I am given? 13 13 arithmetic means are inserted between 1 and 9 by 2. So between 1 and 9 by 2, nothing but first term is so first one is first one is a 1, last term is 9 by 2. So between how many arithmetic means are inserted? 13 arithmetic means, nothing but A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on, A13. So total how many times given? 15 times. 13 plus first term and last term, total 15 times given. Then find the fourth arithmetic mean. So clearly we need to understand here A1 stands for A plus D. First term, so first term is A, second term is A plus D. Am I clear? So next term is A plus A2, nothing but A plus 2D, A3 nothing but A plus 3D and so on. What is the last term? So this is A plus 13th day, 13 term, and what is last term? A plus, clearly we need to understand A plus 14 day, this is. Am I clear? First term, so A1 nothing but A plus D, A2 nothing but A plus 2D, A3 nothing but A plus 3D, A4 nothing but A plus 4D and so on, A plus 4D, A plus 4D and so on and so on. What is the 13th term? A plus 4D and so on. 13th term is A plus 13D, last term 9 by 2, nothing but A plus 14D. Am I clear? So already these are how many times? These are total 15 times. Between 13 extreme 2, 1 to 9 by 2 including. These are how many times? 15 times. So n value how much getting? 15 times. Am I clear? First term, what is the first term here? A equals to 1. Common difference. What is the common difference here? D. So D, common difference nothing but D. First one you need to find common difference. You don't know common difference, but question what I'm asking? Fourth arithmetic mean. Fourth arithmetic mean. So clearly we need to understand. So n value 15. N value 15. Include with first and last between 13. Total will become 13 plus 2. Directly you can write directly 15. 13 plus 2. So how will get to first term and last term? Given 1 and 9 by 2 between 13. Total 15 times. So by using the last term, here 9 by 2 is the last term, nothing but nth term. So it can be written as L or AN. So according to the formula, AN equals to Tn or AN. Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula. Tn or AN. So we know that Tn nothing but last term 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 equals to A value for first term 1 into n value already got 15. These are 15 into D. Am I clear? So these are n value 15. So last term 9 by 2. 9 by 2. So directly you can write for A plus 14D also. A plus 14D also. So by using the formula or 14D, this is called 14D. So 1 plus 14D. Directly you can it can be equals to A plus 14D. So 9 by 2. A plus 14D. Am I clear? So how will get D value? So it can be written. Therefore 14 by D can be written. 14D. 14D equals to 9 by 2 minus 1. Because positive 1 go to left side, it will become a negative. So it can be written 9 minus 2 by 2. 2 LCM 9 minus 2 equals to 14D. So clearly we need to understand 14D equals to 9 minus 2, 7 by 2. According to cross multiplication, it can be written. So firstly cross multiplication, 14 2s are 28D equal to 7 or 7 1s are 7 2s are. Therefore D can be written 7 by 28. Nothing but 1 by 4. 7 1s are 7 4s are D value. But question what I'm asking, clearly we need to understand. Question what I'm asking, find the fourth arithmetic mean, fourth AM value. So nothing but what is the fourth AM value? This is our first AM value. This is second AM, third AM, fourth AM. Nothing but A plus 4D. A plus 4D value asking at final. So A value already obtained from the series 1. A value 1 plus 4 into D value, common difference 1 by 4. So 4 to 4 cancel, then the answer is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So 4th AM equals to 2. That is the required answer. Option B is the right answer. Am I clear? Let's go to question number 16. The mean of 13 numbers is 24. If 3 is added to each number, then what will be the new mean? Option A 24, option B 21, option C 27, option D 25. So clearly we need to understand mean of what I am given. Mean nothing but average. Mean or average value. So mean of first, mean of 13 numbers given. How much? So mean of 13 numbers value 24 given. So for next one, if 3 is added to each number, so nothing but 13 numbers already mentioned. So each number increased by 3, then what is the new mean? So if each number increased by 3, new mean also increased by 3. Directly you can say answer is 27. Option C is right answer. So each number how much increases? 3. Mean also increased by 3. For example, so what is example? For example, suppose let me consider for example 5, 10, 15, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What I am taken? So here 5 numbers taken. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So each number increased by suppose. So clearly we need to understand in that number ordering what is average value. Average equals to 7. Because if common difference are equal, middle number is the average. Middle number is called average, or sum of the numbers. What is sum of the observation? 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. 35 number of observations. 5, 35 by 5, 7. Middle number is exactly average. Suppose that if each number increased by 3, for example, each number increased by 3 means 5 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 7 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 9 plus 3. What is the new order? 8. This is 9, this is 10, 11, 12. So this is a new order. It is here also common difference are equal. 1 is a common difference. So here what is the average? Middle number 10 is the average. If common difference are equal, middle number is called average. So each number added 3, average also adding by 3. So 7 plus 3, then answer is 10. So that is very important method. So each number increased by 3. Adding by 3 means each number increased by 3. So the new average also increased by 3. Option C is right answer.